free ways to bump my supplement site's AI visibility, but without paying. How would you? Yeah, how would you do this?
Favorite. No, but it's funny because Niels and myself, we do this bootstrap, so we are also looking always for options to get
To go
some
without
value out of
paying?
something and see what we can get for free. And we kind of implemented also some options there. So one I mentioned at the beginning, the RankZero audit is quite good to understand where am I lacking, and it gives you a good overview of what you need to improve on. And then we have plenty of other things, which is like structured data generator, LMS, TXT generator. They are all free, and you can use them on our page. These are our free tools. You can obviously implement a lot of other free stuff, where we kind of now share a bit of knowledge, what helps brands to rank higher. It's general, like just to improve your FAQs, for instance, make sure they are similar, like a prompt structure. So you have like a prompt and then, or a question that a user could potentially ask as a prompt in a chat, and then the answer to it. And that is always a good idea. Then everything related to SEO, if you have a good foundation good SEO foundation, it helps a lot for AI bots to crawl your page already, because in the end, the more structured stuff you have on the page, the better the visibility and crawlability is. I think that's overall option to get something free out of it. What else?
I mean, I think I would do it in like a similar way. So you basically need to get the prompts on the page with a short answer and then put that in the structured data. We have free tools for this on the website. You can generate structured data with us. You can do the lms.txt like you said. I think if you really want to go deep, you could go into like Perplexity and ChatGPT and kind of try to prompt it for your brand. So like for supplements, it's like, what is the best creatine powder? What is the best creatine brand? What is the best protein powder? And then try and figure out like, what do people search for and what shows up? For example, even if you go into Perplexity, you can see that like the related questions. So if you have those related questions, it's like likely that people click on it. So they're probably relevant questions. A good start would be to like include those related questions into your content as either headings or FAQs or structured data.
That's actually a good point. You mentioned there that you just like tried yourself maybe 10 times typing into ChatGPT a certain particular prompt. What is also pretty interesting there is like if you check out the sources, I think that's a good indicator also of what kind of potential content you can generate. Obviously, statistically, it's not really super good. I mean, if you just type it in 5 times and then use that as an indicator of where you, or what kind of content you need to improve or work on overall. I think that's already a good way to get like some free benefit.